We've got Anuket and Exaltation, Moon in Taurus. And Anuket is the goddess of the Nile. So she represents the rising and receding waters of the Nile. And so she's fertility, growth, all of those nutrients finally coming to the surface and giving yourself, the people in your life, what you need. And so, in combination with the exaltation card, that's an elevating of status. So, maybe things have been feeling like a drought recently. Like you can't get your crops to grow, like no matter what you're doing all the work, you're following the cycles, and just things aren't flowing, they aren't flooding, the nutrients aren't coming up from the soil. But now they are. Something's different now, and maybe it's coming out of this last eclipse cycle. Something is or has shifted. I had mentioned before that I think of eclipses as like a big eye, like a spotlight on what would you do given the chance? Like, if you're really given the chance to live the life you want, you were given an abundance of resources, how would you handle that? Would you maintain your character, your ethics, your principles? Or would you let them fall to the wayside? So maybe you're getting an opportunity to be tested in that arena. I hope this helps.